Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jalene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I happen to have my Ipsy Glam Bag for May. I don't have my icon box yet, but I'm getting ready to share this. So let's just get to it. Okay, friends. Gonna pull out the bag here. Everything I got is in the bag, and look at this bag. Okay, look at that. It's beautiful. It's a gorgeous bag. Love it. It's just kind of a vinyl, easy wipe, clean. I love the greens and the colors of the flowers in here. There's blueberries and pink flowers in the back, and I love this little flower, anyway, it's just really pretty bag. So sometimes I get more excited about the bags than I do what's in them from Ipsy, but we'll see what we got this month. So I'm going to reach in here and let's see what the card. This is May 2024, The Secret Garden. How perfect is that? The Secret Garden. So anyway, it's a pretty card, and it does list the items that are in it. It also has, I just noticed this, it says coming this June. It has some of the choice items, 5/20 through 5/22. So that's coming up. I'm gonna give you a sneak peek right there of some of the items that we're gonna have to choose from for next month. Kind of looks fun, right? Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out here is I've got a Seraphim Botanicals. It's a highlighter in the color Oyster. Let's see if we can find that. Okay, right here, Seraphim Botanicals. It's obviously just a sample, but it's got it says diamantine beaming highlighter. So there we go. Let's see what this is about. Okay, here we go. Get it out here. So once again, there's the package. Oyster is, they're calling it the oyster color, and it says Diamonique, so I don't know if that means it's gonna be real sparkly. It looks kind of looks like a darker champagne color. There's what it looks like. There it is. Kind of washes out on I can see it. It's got a nice little glow, but I don't know. Not super exciting. I don't always like the little sizes of things like this, but I sampled it, so now I own it. So there we go. That's the first thing. The next thing, I'm just going to read them off the card here and then pull it out. Okay, the next thing I have here is from Symbiosis Skincare. It is a facial exfoliator and decent sample size. Let's see. I like to have exfoliators because I don't use them. I use them like once or twice a week. I use it on my face, but not, you probably can go more than that, like every other day or whatever. But anyway, so I will try this. It looks like it could be a decent quality product, although this is just the sample size. So anyway, that's the second thing. The third thing I'm seeing on here is from Kat Berkey, and it's a sea eye cream, which it's a nutrient sea eye cream. So there's that. Now eye creams, you don't need a lot, so actually this is a decent size for a sample eye cream. It is sealed, so I'm not going to open it yet, but I know the brand is a decent brand, and so I will definitely, this is something I will use. So there's that. And then the next thing I have on here is a lip product. This is Vintage by Jessica. cream lip gloss and blush. So blush is definitely my color. Let's go ahead and open this up and give it a try. It is sealed, which is nice. Okay, I do like the color. Now this is, okay, it's a brush. I don't really love brushes. In fact, this one was put in here funny, so it's sticking out. I don't know. Let me try the color right here. Okay, pretty color. Now, the video I just filmed, I put some lip product on that is definitely not me. It was like a red lip liner and an orange lip topper, which is, you just have to watch that video. It's my ice cream beauty box. So I hate it. I hate it. But so maybe I will, for this video, just go like this. See, kind of, it kind of actually, the orange and red together kind of made a little bit of a rosy color. So we'll see how this works on top. Yeah, I'm not sure I love the applicator. But the formula feels nice and the color's nice. So it's very, not sticky. It just feels like kind of smooth and glossy. So anyway, that's my 5th item. So I probably will use this again. And then we've got the eye cream, which I will use from Kat Berkey. So that, and it was a decent size for eye cream. Then we've got the facial exfoliator is another thing I will use. So that's my 3rd item. Oh, I'm not done. I got one more item. Duh. And then we've got the highlighter. So we're going for the last item here. The last item in the bag is Okay, we got a palette. And this is a palette from Reina Rebeldi Wet Dry Color Serena palette. It says your spring and summer staple eyeshadow palette has arrived. The essential collection features 4 warm, neutral shades and 3 pops of bold colors, teal, mint, and gold. Whether you use them wet or dry, they're perfect for creating endless warm weather looks. Tip: to use wet, spray an eyeshadow or eyeliner brush, spray your brush with water and then dip it into any shade. So let's look at the palette and see what it's all about. Now it doesn't really sound like my, you know, the warm tones are not my jam, but I do kind of like the wet. It was years ago, but that I used wet. I used to use the wet makeup, but this, here it is. There we go. And there's the palette. Actually, it doesn't look too bad in here. So, it's one I might use. I kind of like the idea of the mint color, and I like these 3, the gold, the mint, and the green over here. And I'm going to go ahead and sample. There's those 3 that are on the side. Wait. Okay, they're not really pigmented. I guess they're buildable. But anyway, the brown one, don't really see a lot here. Or the gold one. But there's the 2 greens. I do like that. That's kind of fun. And let's go with let's try the peach here. Peach, brown, a darker brown. They're above here. So I think they're blendable. I would like to try them with, but that was my 5th item. So there we go. The eyeshadow palette, once again, right there. I've got the highlighter. So the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, the lip gloss, the eye cream, and the facial exfoliator right there. So there we go. There's our Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of May, our little garden party. So it's not my favorite. Once again, it's not my favorite Ipsy Glam Bag, but it's not bad. It had a couple. I think the exfoliating scrub and the eye cream are going to be good. They're good products, and I'll try the eyeshadow palette at least once. Anyway, so that and the lip product actually feels really good. I kind of like the feel of it, even though I didn't love the brush. That's it for the Ipsy. I'm looking forward to my icon box. Hopefully it'll come soon and I can share that. Thank you for being here. I appreciate your support, and I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.